As a matter of fact, Gala, which is the world's top blockchain gaming platform, was developed on the same technology that Blue is being developed on, as well as some of the top contributors to this project are now some of the top contributors to the Blue project on the blockchain side as well.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to RNG Crypto. It's your boy here with you for another video, guys. And in this video, I'm showing you a presentation on Blue, which is a healthcare-based project, also part of the Connect United ecosystem, guys. I have several videos on what Connect United is, how it works, but essentially it is an ecosystem of projects. And you just heard Stephen Miller, the president of Connect United, state that this is the same team of developers and initial backers as Gala Games. And Gala Games is a huge gaming platform that is currently sitting at about $1.9 billion market cap. This is only about 2 years old, very young, guys. But if you look at me operating some of my nodes here, you can see these are only 2 of my nodes. I have 4 total, but these 2 are earning about 639 Gala a day, and that's roughly $167 a day, which probably is around $5 grand a month, guys. And this is right now on a pullback, right, from previous all-time highs, with the correction here and also getting ready to have another leg up here as Bitcoin does its thing. So I'm very excited to see that happen. But you can see the all-time high, 82 cents. So imagine 82 cents, and I have 4 of these. That's roughly about $1,300, almost 1,300 Gala per day times whatever the price will be, guys. So there is definitely some great potential for rewards, and I am getting these Galas as a reward of operating Gala nodes, which is basically me providing computing power to the blockchain for the blockchain to be truly decentralized. And that is exactly what all of the Connect United projects are also doing. They're all based on the same technology. They are all real use case projects, and you will see here, I've already shared with you some of the other ones in my previous video, but you will see what Blue does, guys. So without further ado, guys, check out my link down in the description, get signed up, become part of this journey, and let's get these rewards together moving forward. With that said, let's jump into the video.
Today, you're going to learn about a new paradigm in healthcare. The healthcare sector is in many ways the most consequential part of the US and global economy. It is a fundamental part of people's lives, supporting their health and well-being. Moreover, it matters because of its economic size and budgetary implications. The global healthcare spending is going to reach over $10 trillion by 2022. Now, healthcare is growing as a share of the economy and government budgets in ways that appear unsustainable. Here you can see the cost of healthcare exceeds 45% of the GDP in the US alone. This failure to achieve better health outcomes has caused a crisis of confidence. For decades now, physicians were among the most respected professions in the world. But all of that is changing. Patients' trust in their doctors and healthcare in general is declining. A lack of trust can lead to decreased patient compliance, worse outcomes, corrosive physician-patient interactions, and physician burnout. Again, we are truly facing a crisis of confidence here in the medical sector. As patients' trust declines, so does the doctor's care and interest in their patients. The rise in bureaucracy, increased patient load, less time with patients, and lower pay has driven doctors to see practicing medicine as a job instead of a calling in their life. You can see here that the percentage that doctors care about their patients is changing. 50% of them care all of the time, 33% care some of the time, and 9% care none of the time. Again, Americans largely no longer trust the healthcare system, and a lot of it is because of these outcomes. The centralization of healthcare spending and control to the governments and insurance companies is the largest factor affecting the decline of doctor-patient trust. Here you can see one-on-one doctor-patient time has been reduced by 68%. Patients are more aware. They have access to more information, causing them to even trust their doctors less. And the skyrocketing costs of care are contributing to this decline of trust as well. Now, medical technology and innovation is advancing at a rapid pace. providing medical professionals with amazing tools to diagnose and treat and even heal patients. So although that trust is declining, there are massive advancements in technology that are offering better solutions and greater care. So all of these advancements will provide those better outcomes to patients if the patients can have access to them. Here you can see the top 10 medical advances of the decade. Number 10, hormone replacement therapy. Number 9, minimally invasive robotics. Number 8, advanced mobile biometrics. Number 7, advanced diagnostics. Number 6, gene therapy. 5, combination drug therapeutics. 4, targeted therapeutics for cancer. 3, stem cell therapy. 2, information technology. And number 1, blockchain data security. And we're going to talk about that here a little bit because this is leading into this trust economy, right? These new technological advancements also help to increase the trust in doctor-patient relationships. Technology has allowed patients to gain direct access to doctors and medical information and has helped to increase trust. This technology is changing the traditional healthcare model in positive ways, just as it has changed other industries. And maybe you've seen these changes, maybe in the entertainment industry or the transportation industry or even possibly hospitality. Let's talk about those for just a second. Maybe these will ring a bell. You know, YouTube, in entertainment, the world's largest media company, does not produce any of their own media. This is user-driven. Again, Uber, in the transportation sector, the world's largest transportation company, they do not own any vehicles. Once again, user-driven. Hospitality. The world's largest hospitality company is Airbnb. They do not own any hotels. Who does? Well, you do, the user. You offer up your home as a hotel, so to speak. And so, again, now with technology, everything is being reimagined. And we are taking new approaches from a user-driven type of perspective. I love this quote, Buckminster Fuller. You never change things by changing the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete. And this is what we are seeing right now. Introducing Blue, which is healthcare reimagined. We are the first to combine the power of blockchain with innovative health and wellness technologies, creating better access, trust, and value to those seeking a better, healthier life. We call it health plus care. Now, this means better direct access to your healthcare services, better value for your healthcare, better control and direction of your own health and wellness journey. The current healthcare economy doesn't really want you to get better. They want you to stay a patient and keep paying into the system. Does the current healthcare system really want to treat the root cause or just the outward symptom? Well, as a healthcare professional, if I'm constantly treating the outward symptoms and never the root cause, chances are you will stay sick and you will stay paying into that system, and I will continue to get a paycheck if I'm a doctor. But with Blue, we look at things a lot differently. Having you and your family's health covered, helping you to eat right, exercise, sleeping, being mentally and emotionally well. Inside Blue, for those things, you are rewarded. Again, this is a different way to look at it. Instead of paying when you are sick, you now get rewarded for being well. Our Health Plus Care platform goes beyond traditional ways of delivering healthcare. Blue provides unlimited access to board-certified physicians, nurses, behavioral health specialists, integrative and natural medicine practitioners, as well as wellness and fitness coaches backed by blockchain technology. And Blue has been developed by one of the fastest growing blockchain companies in the US, including the most experienced blockchain developers in the world who have launched multiple blockchains across different industries. And Blue's decentralized team consists of entrepreneurs and leaders in the healthcare industry, one of the leading providers of global health telehealth solutions that is operating in 45 plus countries, the largest pharmacy networks in the US with 67,000 participating pharmacies nationwide, individuals who have brought medical wearables and other innovative medical devices to the market, and those who have developed the best and most needed services and products inside of Blue now. And so we are gathering these amazing professionals from across the globe. So Blue is here to evaluate your health risks, like cancer or heart disease, then match you with the right doctor-led programs to achieve long-term health. Blue rewards you for achieving a healthy lifestyle. And here's where you are, where most people aren't doing so well. Blue then provides access to telemedicine, teledentistry, sleep clinics, biometric monitoring, pharmacy, and so much more. Blue is a whole lot more than just your traditional healthcare. Blue, again, is about health plus care. Blue provides a unique health and wellness program for you and your family. Our goal is to help you achieve optimal health and wellness. Of course, we're here to help when you're not well too, but when you join Blue, you will design a personal wellness program for you and your family. Your Blue coach will help you establish daily, weekly, and monthly goals. As you make healthy choices and achieve your health goals, you will earn rewards, which can be used to help reduce your overall healthcare costs or make investments in your health in the future. Imagine healthy choices will actually help you pay for your healthcare. Blue is the only health plus care network that rewards you for healthy living. As you gain wellness and live healthy, with Blue, you can gain blockchain rewards. Now, you also get 24/7 access to Blue telemedicine. And one of the things that's really neat about Blue and this program is Blue is providing free health plus care for veterans and first responders and their families. Blue is a proud supporter of the Liberty Project, a global blockchain supporting veterans and their families around the world. When you enroll your family into the Blue healthcare system, we will enroll a military veteran or first responder and their family at no charge. With Blue Integrated Pharmacy, you can receive discounts on your prescriptions and even have them delivered to your home the same day or the next. With Blue, we also have a sleep clinic. Obstructive sleep apnea affects more than 1 billion people worldwide. The Blue Sleep Clinic provides in-home sleep diagnostics and a novel treatment protocol via telemedicine. You can track your goals and your health and monitor key metrics on Blue with our integrated devices. Nutrition and wellness coaches can personalize a plan and help you set goals to achieve optimal health. With cutting-edge in-home lab tests, Blue can provide individualized and personalized health plans based on your genetic needs and profile. Starting July 2021, we will launch telemedicine and pharmacy solutions. Teledentistry, orthodontics, and sleep clinics will follow, with a goal for all being launched before the end of 2021. And one thing that all of the participants in all of these amazing blockchains have in common is they all need or want to improve their health, and those associated, of course, as well. And so Blue is a global common solution for all of these different projects. Now, Blue stems from the success of other blockchain projects. As a matter of fact, Gala, which is the world's top blockchain gaming platform, was developed on the same technology that Blue is being developed on, as well as some of the top contributors to this project are now some of the top contributors to the Blue project on the blockchain side as well. This is exciting because it has provided a complete economy where people can participate in the blockchain side of healthcare through nodes, apps, etc., all creating an amazing platform for Blue to grow on. So, what is Blue? Blue is healthcare reimagined. Blue is the solution for today and tomorrow. And with Blue, you're not just paying to be sick, you are now being rewarded to be well.